Hi, so today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges. Now we have to open the ink cartridge chamber, so just hold like this from the side until the whole panel stands itself. Here are the ink cartridges which are just here. So once they reach in the middle, now there is a lock mechanism, push it and this will open the ink cartridge. So it's really easy and accessible here. And once it is done, now we install the new ink cartridges. Install it here and press it downwards. So you will hear click sound, that means it's locked. So do it for all of the 4 ink cartridges. Now make sure you match the color before you install them so that they have a correct color. And now close the door and just wait for the display screen, and once it is ready then you can use it. Thanks for watching.